Okay, so I've done the undercutting now to release both sides of the door frame, and now it's just a matter of applying some construction adhesive to both sides of a wedge. Prying up to level the material. Just like that. And we don't want to spare the glue because we certainly don't want any squeaks in our staircase, or I should say our bullnosing. So you may have asked, why not just use some extra paper, rosin paper, roofing felt? Why not just use something like that? And again, because of squeaks, because we don't want this talking back to us, we want this firm and set. We want to be using rigid materials, not a material that's going to have a deflection. This is looking very good. And I'm going to put just one more on the near side of the door frame. Very good. And maybe one more right in the middle. Okay. And now we just fasten it down. So voila! And the nice thing is we have not needed an overnight dry for glue. It's onward and upward from here. We can just simply proceed, no downtime.